Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Ashley. So excited to be hanging out with you guys today. Today's video will be all about how to get some tricks and tips on having really healthy and long hair for the summer or all year long. So go ahead and keep watching for my tips and tricks. So the number one question that I always get asked is, what do you do to take care of your hair? My hair is super duper long, as you guys can see, and today's video will be all about the things that I do to take care of my hair. Just a disclaimer though, everything in this video is based on my own opinions and what I do for my own hair. Feel free to take some suggestions from this video and incorporate it in your daily routine. Also, I'm not a professional, so some things that I say might be correct or not, but it's just things that I do, and I hope that I can bring some of the stuff that I do to keep my hair long and healthy and bring it to your life. So anyway, keep on watching. So the number one question that I always get asked, besides is how do I get my hair so long, is the colored dye that I use or the hairdresser that I go to. My hair is 100% El Natural, so I don't have any dyes. I've never dyed my hair, never wanted to. I'm really thankful that I really like the color of my hair, always have, and hopefully I won't be dumb enough to dye it. I personally have like an auburn kind of hair, and it does change with the season. So as we are coming into summer, you might notice in a couple of videos later, my hair does get lighter. It changes from the sun. Also, chlorine can have a really bad but nice lighting effect to your hair. But yeah, I definitely don't dye it. If you do dye your hair, definitely suggest taking some biotin. I actually just started taking biotin myself. I've never taken biotin before, but I heard that it's really good for healthy hair growth for your entire body. I unfortunately don't have my nails done right now, so my nails were really brittle and weak, so I decided to start taking biotin, and I can already see that not just my nails are feeling strong, but my hair has just felt really nice and healthy. And yes, I am on a clean wash day, so you guys get it all fresh and clean for you. But yeah, so biotin has been really helping me so far, and hopefully it'll grow a little bit longer. I am taking the 1000 milligram of biotin, and I do know that there is a 5000 if you're really trying to grow your hair. I don't like to shave that much, so I'm not going to take the 5000. I just feel like my hair and my nails just grow naturally really fast. So just using the biotin 1000 to just kind of speed up that process and make my nails and hair just a little bit stronger, because why not? It can't hurt, right? So the second most question that I ask is, how do you grow your hair? Well, I did it myself. No, I'm just kidding. Basically, hair growth is really based on genetics, and as I mentioned before, you can use biotin to help speed up the process, but it's really based on genetics. I also know that, and what I've heard and have thought about for years, is that besides biotin, I also heard that if you eat a lot of wheat bread and eggs, that it's naturally just really good for your hair as well. So that's something that I've noticed when I eat a lot of bread, or whole wheat bread, is when my hair really starts to grow. I usually get a haircut about maybe like once a year, and that's only because I just really like my hair really long, and I'll probably get like an inch to an inch and a half cut off depending on how long it's gotten. But my hair is down to like my booty, so it's like right there. Yeah, anyway, I need a haircut like really bad, but I'll probably just wait till like whenever. I don't know, I'm like the biggest procrastinator ever. So my washing cycle, yes, we're gonna talk about it. Like we're getting down and dirty. So kind of embarrassing, but I think everyone's hair cycle and washing cycle is a little bit different. For me personally, since I am Caucasian, white, whatever you want to call me. I have beautiful hair, but she can't be washed every single day. So I usually wash my hair between every 2 to 3 days. So usually like 2 to 3 times a week-ish, somewhere around there. It really just depends on what you're doing too. And then when I wash my hair, I use the L'Oreal EverCreme, which I'll go ahead and place right here so you guys can see it. I use the shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for years and it makes my hair really happy and healthy. And I will talk about some other products that I use as well. So when I'm in the shower, I use the shampoo twice. So I put it in once, do some other stuff, clean myself in there, and then take it out and then put it in again. And not just am I putting it on my scalp, I'm also putting it through my entire hair, because although like when you're washing your hair and you're rinsing it and it falls down, it's really like not soaking in there. So instead of just having conditioner here down, I always make sure that I'm using shampoo on my entire hair. Yes, my showers take me almost an hour, but I just want to make sure that my hair is happy and healthy and super clean. Otherwise, I just wasted my entire time in the shower. So once again, I'm doing shampoo twice on my entire hair, fully going through. And then the number one trick of that I heard that people like do is they put conditioner near their scalp. That is like a big no-no. You absolutely cannot put conditioner near your scalp. It's only supposed to condition the tips of your hair, which is where it's gonna get the most dry. It's starting to get dead. So conditioner is really not meant for your scalp. Conditioner can make your scalp really oily or itchy, and it's just not good. Don't do it. So I usually do conditioner from about here down, from my ears down, and I'm really getting in there, really going through my hair just to make sure that it's super soft when I get out. Obviously, the more conditioner you put in, the more oils you're putting into your hair. So put as much as you need. I usually do maybe like a little bit bigger than a quarter. I'm just kidding, I put a lot. But yeah, I would definitely try putting about a quarter. What's really good about the L'Oreal EverCreme is that it's really like a cream. It's not very liquidy, it's very thick. So a lot of, not a lot of product will go a long way. And then while I'm in the shower as well, I always make sure to just kind of leave it. Like I'll go like shave my legs, which takes me forever. So kind of leave the conditioner in to really let it sit and enjoy itself and get it all clean. And then I take it all out. So after the shower is the trick that you need to pay attention. So once I get out of the shower, this is my little trick, is as soon as you get out of the shower, go ahead and put your wet brush or comb through your hair, and then I am spraying a heat protectant. My two favorite heat protectants are from BUMBLE and BUMBLE, which I absolutely love. It smells super yummy, but I haven't been able to get it because Ulta's closed right now for quarantine. So I've been using the L'Oreal, I don't know, I'll link it down below. I'll show a picture right here. They're both really awesome products. The BUMBLE is a little bit expensive, but you can get a trial size from Sephora or the $28 big bottle from Sephora or Ulta as well. But the L'Oreal is a great drugstore dupe that works great. The reason why I put in the heat protectant is because even if I'm putting heat or not, it just puts a nice protectant on your hair and prepares it kind of for anything that's coming its way. So whether it's really the sun or heat, it's a really great way to kind of give some extra structure to your hair. It's super easy. You just spray it in your hair, and then I put a towel on, and then I kind of let it soak. Both of those products don't smell bad at all. They actually smell really good. So on top of your shampoo and conditioner, you're putting something else that smells really yummy and works really, really well. So I highly suggest putting in a heat protectant as soon as you're done washing your hair and let it soak. And then once I realize that my hair is kind of starting to dry is when I'll go ahead and blow dry it and then straighten if needed. So once your hair is starting to get dry, the number one thing that I also want to mention too is that you want to make sure that you're not rushing to dry your hair. So what I mean by that is that just because it's sopping wet, don't go and grab a blow dryer or try and straighten your hair, curl your hair. Sometimes we are in a rush to just hurry up and get ready because we have to go, or we have to go to school, work, going out, whatever. You want to take time to make sure that you're leaving enough time for your hair to dry naturally, just a little bit or all the way, it doesn't matter. The reason for that is because heat products, even though you put in a heat protectant, you still need your hair to naturally dry just a tad bit, because all those heat products will burn your hair completely, and that's totally awful. I have burned some of my hair because of that, because I was rushing and my hair wasn't completely dry. I highly suggest using a blow dryer, and then just to kind of, you know, get it all dry, and then move on to a straightener or curler or whatever you're going to be doing, just to make sure that it's super safe. Now let's talk about lazy days. Some days it is okay to be lazy. I'm lazy, you're lazy, we're all lazy. It's okay sometimes to take a shower, put on your heat protectant, and leave it in a towel until it dries, or not. Maybe it's nice outside, you're just gonna leave it natural. It is okay to be lazy. I think giving your hair a break from straightening, blow drying, curling, and everything else that we do to it in between is really good for your hair. As much as we may fight with our natural hair or don't like what we always have, I think it's super important to give yourself a break and your hair a break to just kind of go back to its natural state. I know I used to have really pretty wavy hair, and then I've straightened it and blow dried it for like 10 plus years, so I don't really know what my natural hair is like anymore. So some days I just give myself a break and enjoy what I naturally have. I think it's just really good as well for like your mental, just to kind of relax and hang out with your hair. Also, jumping on to lazy days is if your hair is dirty, which you know what I'm talking about, when it gets all greasy or you got dandruff, whatever. I feel like if you're too lazy to just wash your hair, I feel like you can relate. It's just throwing your hair up in that ponytail, doing the Ariana Grande on a date night. You're too lazy to wash it. Don't do it. Just put it up in a pony, put on that hat, and give your hair a break. It is okay to change your washing schedule. I think it's super important too that you're using hairspray that your hair likes. So you don't want a hairspray that's gonna completely ruin your hair either. You definitely want a hairspray that your hair likes. So these are my two favorite products. It's from Aussie, and the other one's from TRESemme that I use. The Aussie's really good if I'm just throwing my hair back in a ponytail. It holds everything all day without it feeling too fake. And then the TRESemme really holds curls for me. My hair is really straight, so when I curl it, it barely stays. So I really find that the TRESemme it really holds all the curls super well for the most that it can. I feel like my hair just doesn't hold curls in general, so it does a pretty good job. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of my tips and tricks of getting your hair super long and healthy just like mine. Anyway, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!